Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share Facebook Reels in Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So for example, right now I'm going to share this reel in my Facebook Messenger. So after opening the reel, I'm tapping on the share icon and tap on copy link, or you can select messages. So I'm gonna tapping on copy link, and then I'm gonna opening my messenger. Right now I'm using Messenger Lite. So open any conversation where you send the reel and paste the URL or link and tap on send, and here you can see I've successfully sent it my reels in Messenger. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.